Hey guys, Mari here. Today I'm gonna unbox our new cooking set with you, and I'm gonna show you some of the features and some of the reasons why we did what we did. So basically, this is the box where the set comes in, and you can see, looking at my hand, how small all of the set looks like when you put it all together. So basically here we have one big pan, another small pan inside, one kettle, one frying pan, and 2 heat mats, all in one place. The reason why we put this all together is, of course, one of the main reasons we have issues in van life is about storage and space inside of the cupboards. So we made sure that we can have a full set. If you like cooking, it's like literally using these pans is like cooking at home, but you can bring to the campground. Secondly, one of the things that annoy me the most is to be driving and hearing the rattling at the back. So what we incorporate here is 2 heat mats that they help us reduce this rattling to basically 0 or very close to 0. So I can show you guys here, when we're driving, this is what you're gonna hear. And we're talking about a lot of stainless steel inside of this set. So can you see that's basically no sound. So what we have here is, first, one big pot. This big pot can also be used in open fire. Inside of this big pot, we have one more pot with silicone handles, and inside of it we have one kettle. And here we have a very nice frying pan, and all of these will come with these 2 heat mats. They can also be used to prevent from rattling. So as you can see here, there's lots of goodies all in one set, and they can all be put together in just a small set. Inside of the kettle there's even a strainer if you like tea, so that's a very good solution for you. All of those handles, they are very high quality, and you can just put them together like that. So to box everything again, we have the pot, and we have the bigger pot, and then we have one more heat mat here, kettle, lid 1, lid 2. Everything inside of a very small setup. That's all. Thank you.